Facts on online businesses growth. 1. As of 2021, there are 4,208,571, 287 internet users, as stated by Internet World Stats. 2. With content marketing, you can get 3x the leads per dollar you spend compared to using paid search, as stated by Content Marketing Institute. 3. A small business with a blog is most likely to get 126% more lead growth compared to those without. 4. With content marketing, you can get 6x more conversions compared to traditional marketing. 5. Websites that have an active blog have 434% more search indexed website pages. 6. If you use video content, organic traffic increases up to 157%, as stated by HubSpot. 7. 44% of people who search for local products and services online viewed an online video, as stated by JLB Media. 8. Using a video landing page increases conversions by as much as 80%. 9. Email marketing delivers the highest ROI compared to all other marketing strategies, as stated by Campaign Monitor. 10. By automating emails, you can boost revenue by as much as 320%. 11. Using email is 40x more effective when it comes to new customer acquisition as compared to Facebook or Twitter. 12. You're likely to get 40 times more shares on social media if your social posts are visual. 13. Online stores which have a positive and active social presence get an average of 32% more sales compared to those that don't, as stated by BigCommerce.